How's it going today, folks? We have another clipper system moving into the region tomorrow night into Monday. This is expected to be a overnight system, so basically you're going to wake up Monday morning to some snow. We are using a new camera setup and a new microphone, so you should be able to hear us a lot clearer for this forecast, and video quality should be pretty good. We're excited to have this new setup going. This is also the setup we'll be using on our chases, so this is a good opportunity to test it out and make sure it's all going to be working well for you guys. There should be a lot less echoing and background noise. I know we were having some comments about our older forecasts mentioning background noise and a lot of echoing. That's basically because we were mostly using a smartphone camera and just a cheap microphone headset. So we've upped that game and should be a lot better now. Without further ado, we will get into this forecast for you. We can expect to start seeing snow tomorrow night, pushing into southwest Manitoba from Saskatchewan. And that is going to bring snow heavy at times for a lot of Manitoba. As you can see here, around midnight tomorrow night, it's going to be engulfing pretty much most of Manitoba, the eastern half of North Dakota, and a lot of Minnesota. And even southern Minnesota is going to be having some freezing rain issues and stuff like that. And then by Monday morning it'll be pretty much moved out of the area, so a lot of this snowfall is going to fall overnight into the early morning hours, and it could, we're not expecting it to be extremely heavy snowfall. A lot of times with these clipper systems there'll be very dry snow, so it shouldn't be too heavy to shovel Monday morning at least. As far as accumulations go, we found actually a model that will show us all of Manitoba, which is nice, and it's also displaying in centimeters, so I no longer have to translate that from inches into centimeters for you guys. So what we're seeing here is areas around Winnipeg, according to this model, could experience about 11 centimeters, so I would put that in the 10 to 15 centimeter range. Extreme southeast Manitoba, 15 to 20 centimeters, and areas around Brandon and just north of Brandon, Verdun area, anywhere from 10 to 20 centimeters. Portage la Prairie, I'd put that in a 5 to 10 centimeter range. I know right now the Weather Network's saying about 10 centimeters for Portage, and that's not too far off from what I'm seeing here. So yeah, I'd be comfortable saying 5 to 10 for Portage, 10 to 20 for Brandon, 10 to 15 for Winnipeg, maybe up to 20, and 15 to 20 for southeast Manitoba and along the Manitoba-Ontario border. Farther north into Manitoba, yes, I do get to forecast for the north for you guys. So all you people who have been asking for forecasts for further north into Manitoba, here you go. We could see 20 centimeters, anywhere from 15 to 25 centimeters. Anywhere north of this line here. So if you're in this area of northern Manitoba, definitely be ready for 10 to 25 centimeters out of this system. And south of this line, anywhere 10 to 20 centimeters as well. A lot heavier snowfall for northern Manitoba, though, I'm expecting. And yeah, that's basically the gist of what we're expecting out of this system. I'll get back over into my other model here as far as timing goes, and yeah, this model here, it doesn't show us exactly how far north this system is going, but that other model we were looking at does. so we get a better picture on that one for Canada, but I like the quality of this model and this website a lot better. If you notice, I have this slider bar that I'm using up here. That is why I use this website most of the time. If this website here wouldn't integrate that slider bar, it would be pretty great. The thing with this website is we have these buttons here that we have to click to get each hour. So yeah, we're going to basically use this website for accumulations and whatnot for most of Manitoba. I will though see what it's showing for precipitation further north. So we can see here. So this gives us a good idea of the whole system, comparing it to what we're seeing on this one, how far south it goes. This one is going to show us how far north it's going. There is going to be some scattered snow in northern Saskatchewan still tomorrow night, and that will push its way into Manitoba. That's why this that accumulation model was showing a lot of accumulation in this area. You can see here, this is a line I drew right there, and yeah, it's pretty much coinciding with what we're seeing on the other models. So I would yeah, I'd expect to see a good 10 to 25 centimeters in northern Manitoba, and 10 to 20, maybe even 25 in southeast Manitoba, but a good 10 to 20 for most of southern Manitoba. And once again, that is going to happen tomorrow night into Monday. If there's any changes with this system, we will definitely update you guys. Until then, I want to thank you guys for joining, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. Ring that notification bell so you will get notified every time that we upload a new video. And until then, we will see you guys later.